New England Patriots are reportedly selling a nearly 10% stake in the team to a pair of private equity firms. Let's bring in CNBC senior sports reporter Mike Ozanian for more. Mike.
Yeah, this is a really rich valuation, Morgan. Robert Kraft, who owns the team, is selling 8% at a $9 billion valuation. And just two quick things I think are important I'd like to point out. Number one is, if you look at the revenue multiple of this deal, it's a little over 11 times revenue, which if you go back to 2 years ago when the Commanders were sold, that was a control stake. That was also a little bit over 11 times revenue. So we've seen that discount for minority stakes in NFL teams and versus the control stake shrink. And the second thing is, this is the issuance of primary shares. In other words, this isn't Robert Kraft selling his shares in the Patriots. These are new shares, which means that the money that comes in, several $100 million, are going to go right into the Patriots' balance sheet. So that's a lot of cash they're going to have, to invest in Gillette Stadium, which they own, to use for operations, pay down debt. And in the NFL, when you sign a player to a guaranteed contract, the out years of that guaranteed contract, the money has to be put in escrow. So if they sign a high-priced player to a lot of guaranteed money, they'll have more cash to put in escrow.
So how does this work? Because when I was growing up, the Patriots stank. And then there was Tom Brady. And now Tom Brady's gone. And the Patriots kind of stink again. And you look at the Dallas Cowboys, it seems like the correlation, unlike stocks, the correlation between performance and value is not necessarily there. So why are the Patriots worth so much?
Well, a few reasons, John. Number one is, in the NFL, all teams share equally about 2/3 of revenue. So performance doesn't necessarily equate to revenue. Number two is, the Patriots own their stadium. So they also get a lot of money from concerts. They also own the New England Revolution of Major League Soccer, which this deal does not include. So they earn money at the stadium from that. They do a great job with sponsorships. Look, the Patriots still sell out every game. I don't know how long that's going to last if they don't keep winning, but they do. And their fan base is so loyal. They have their premium ticket price. Those are those fancy club seats. They have the highest priced premium club seats in the NFL at about $630. So their fans are still paying up to go to the games.